In this video, I'm going to attempt to show how you can mimic having a whiteboard or a Mimeo when you're recording your screen capture for videos to send out to your students. So what I've got open here, just to mimic a whiteboard, is just a blank Google Drawing file. So Google Drawing is just a program that comes with our GNSPES suite, and you can access it through your drive. And I'm just basically just using it as a white background. I'm not going to be using the drawing tools, but if you wanted to record what you're doing and save the actual image files, then you could actually use the drawing tools that are on here. I'm just going to use the drawing tools that come with the Screencastify software, which is what I'm using to do the screen capture on a Chromebook. My motions will be a little bit limited because I'm just using the touchpad mouse on the Chromebook. To get a little more dexterity or accuracy, you could plug in a mouse and use that, or a stylus pen, or if you had a touch screen, the motions would be a little smoother. So you have to bear with me when I'm doing my tracings and drawings. So I'm gonna maximize the screen just so that we have a much larger screen to look at on the video. So I'm going to maximize it, and then I'm going to go full screen on the drawing program, and that just gives me the nice white space here. And now I'm going to use the drawing pen. Now you can't see my toolbar down there because it's part of the Screencastify software, but there is a bunch of tools down there that allow me to do stuff. So I'm going to just, we can draw in here. Again, the motion is a little bit limited just because I'm using the touch screen. So you can draw words on there, you could draw pictures on there, and that's not really exciting. It's kind of limiting, but if you wanted to just show them something on there, if you're trying to draw them something on there, and you can use the drawing tools as well if you wanted to actually type or put in pictures, which will give you a little more of an interesting screen. But what you can use this for as well is similar to the Mimeo, is if you had a file up that you wanted to annotate or draw on, you can get into that. So I've got a little math sheet here. And again, I can use the drawing tools that are provided, and then I can add in. Okay, if I wanted to make notes on here, if I wanted to show things, if I wanted to express the workout, again, I would recommend using a mouse or a stylus pen or a touchscreen if you want this to be a little bit smoother looking, but this will allow you to mimic that. And again, it won't save this. What I'm adding to this, like the Mimeo would, it saves the video, but because I'm just basically overlaying this using the drawing tools, it's not going to save this actual picture of this file with the changes that I've made to it. So it's a little bit limited that way, but it does save the video if you want to share that with your students. So I hope this helps a little bit.